Cold open. Ever pondered over Lipozene for your weight loss goals? Let's dissect the pros and cons. On the plus side, Lipozene flaunts clinical studies that back significant weight loss, making it a trustworthy option. It's safe, natural, and caters to health-conscious folks with its no GMO, no gluten, no caffeine, and no soy formula. The superfiber Glucomannan curbs appetite naturally, assisting in reduced calorie intake without the need for stimulants. Moreover, it smoothly integrates into your existing diet and routines, offering convenience and lifestyle flexibility. However, on the downside, customer reviews are varied, indicating different experiences and effectiveness. Potential side effects encompass digestive discomfort and the need for ample hydration to prevent digestive blockages. For those with sensitivities to Glucomannan, caution is advised and consultation with a healthcare provider could be beneficial. In conclusion, weigh the balanced pros and cons to make an informed choice. Your journey to health awaits.